Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce the name of the famous Japanese dish consisting of vinegared rice and usually raw fish. This is pronounced SUSHI, 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 SUSHI. Now for the advanced learners, the pitch accent is high to low. Su is a higher pitch, and then the mora shi is a lower pitch. Now what's important when it comes to the pronunciation is that you maintain both syllables, so mora, the exact same length. So don't pronounce it sushi, because elongating the U changes the sound in Japanese and it does not make it sound authentic anymore. Also note that the U is more of a U rather than a U. Sushi, sushi. Interestingly enough, when it comes to the meaning of the word, is mostly focused on the rice, in the sense that it kind of can be translated as sour tasting or sour rice if you mean it as vinegared rice. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.